Here are the instructions to lose weight while breastfeeding without losing your milk supply. By and large, a breastfeeding mother needs an extra 300 to 500 calories each day than was expected to keep up her pre-pregnancy weight to keep a solid milk supply. Kelly Mom. A solid, very much fed breastfeeding mother can securely lose as much as 1 pound each week. Lowers, counseling the nursing mom. After your infant is 2 months old, practicing reasonably can help you consume more fat while building bulk, along these lines encouraging you shed those additional pounds. Kelly Mom. I likewise talked with Lee Ann Webster, proprietor of 52 Healthy Weeks, who is a licensed well coach, a certified personal trainer and a nutrition for fitness coach. This is what she needed to say about eating a sound baby blues diet while attempting to lose the pregnancy weight. Each lady needs to get back to her pre-pregnancy weight as fast as could be expected. In any case, in case you're breastfeeding, it's truly imperative to zero in on food sources that are supplement thick so you have the energy to really focus on your infant, to put towards the entirety of your different duties, and to work out. Recollect that delivering milk takes a great deal of your body's assets and energy. The accompanying food sources will help you feel better so you have the energy to get past your day without a hitch. All things considered, perhaps not exactly flying tones because of the absence of rest that accompanies having a newborn child, however you will absolutely feel better compared to you would with a low-calorie and supplement-denied diet. Intend to eat food sources that contain high measures of omega-3s. These incorporate pecans, eggs that have been braced with omega-3s, low-sugar breakfast grains that have been sustained with omega-3s, salmon, basil and spinach. Eat reliably for the duration of the day. By doing this you will get 3 things done. In the first place, your digestion will remain fired up in light of the fact that you are continually energizing it. Second, your body won't get exhausted of indispensable supplements expected to make breast milk. Third, your energy will stay more predictable for the duration of the day. Eat loads of iron-rich food sources. Zero in on nourishments like lean cuts of meat, spinach, lentils, dark beans and verdant green vegetables. Eat an eating regimen that wealthy in complex sugars. Zero in on entire grain or entire wheat items and dodge void calories from white items. Eat entire grain English biscuits, grain biscuits, earthy colored rice, wheat pasta, yams and bunches of vegetables. Eat an eating regimen that is wealthy in calcium and protein. Nibble on food sources like yogurt, string cheddar, smoothies made with milk or almond milk and a banana. Intend to eat the shade of the rainbow every day when you are picking foods grown from the ground. Also, some examination demonstrates that focused energy exercise can prompt a development of lactic corrosive which will bring about sharp-tasting bosom milk, albeit entirely fine to take care of the child. This 1992 investigation was genuinely uncertain. However, in the event that you find that your child starts dismissing your milk, and you have been doing extraordinary spans, where your pulse would be exceptionally high, at that point cut back a piece and check whether that makes a difference. Likewise, ensure you scrub down, as pungent perspiration could likewise change the kind of your milk.